In this tutorial, we will show you how you can efficiently and consistently save contents in Empower. Empower has the possibility to save contents directly in the Empower library. To save content to the library, select the element to be uploaded, e.g. a table, text, or a picture first. In our example, we want to upload a table. After selecting the table, click on the Library drop-down menu within the Start group of the Empower ribbon and choose the Save button. Depending on the content you want to upload, Empower offers different options. In this case, we could either save the whole document as a template or save only the selected table as a content block. We want to save the table here and therefore choose the option Content Block. Now click on Save As to upload the table in the corresponding folder. After choosing a file name and then clicking Save, the content block will be uploaded automatically. After successful upload, you get a notification from the Empower Sync. Of course, using Empower you have the option to save other elements such as icons or even various pages as content blocks, or upload the whole document into the library too. To do this, simply click in the document, then again on the library drop-down menu and choose Save. Now you only have the option to upload the whole document as a template. Click on Save As and again determine the storage location and the file name. The template will be uploaded automatically. A note: when a dynamic document template is being adjusted and overwritten, it is important to deselect default settings regarding location and profile. Now it's your turn. Get started and try out these features of Empower Docs yourself. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.